Welcome back to RefreshNest, your go-to source for practical tips and inspiration for home improvement projects. If you're considering a bathroom remodel, you've come to the right place. In today's video, we're diving into the essential steps you need to take to ensure a successful bathroom remodeling project. From planning and budgeting to design and installation, we've got you covered every step of the way. Let's jump right in! Step 1. Assess your needs and goals. The first step in any successful bathroom remodeling project is to assess your needs and goals. Take some time to evaluate what isn't working in your current bathroom and what you hope to achieve with the remodel. Are you looking to increase storage space, improve functionality, or simply update the aesthetics? By clearly defining your objectives, you'll be better equipped to plan a remodel that meets your specific needs and preferences. Step 2. Set a realistic budget. Once you've identified your goals, it's time to set a realistic budget for your bathroom remodel. Consider factors such as the scope of the project, the quality of materials you desire, and any additional expenses such as labor costs or permits. Be sure to budget for unexpected expenses that may arise during the remodeling process, and aim to set aside a contingency fund to cover any unforeseen costs. Step 3. Create a design plan. With your goals and budget in mind, it's time to create a design plan for your new bathroom. Start by gathering inspiration from magazines, websites, and social media platforms like Pinterest. Consider factors such as layout, fixtures, finishes, and color schemes that align with your personal style and preferences. If you're not sure where to start, consider consulting with a professional designer who can help bring your vision to life. Step 4. Hire reliable contractors. Choosing the right contractors is crucial to the success of your bathroom remodel. Take the time to research and interview potential contractors, checking references and reviews to ensure they have a track record of delivering high-quality work. Be sure to obtain multiple bids for the project and carefully review contracts to ensure all details are clearly outlined before work begins. Step 5. Obtain necessary permits. Depending on the scope of your remodel, you may need to obtain permits from your local building department before work can begin. Be sure to research permit requirements in your area and obtain any necessary approvals before starting construction. Failing to obtain the proper permits could result in costly fines and delays, so it's essential to follow the proper procedures. Step 6. Demolition and preparation. Once all necessary permits are obtained, it's time to begin the demolition and preparation phase of your bathroom remodel. Clear out the existing space, removing old fixtures, finishes, and debris as needed. Take this opportunity to address any underlying issues such as water damage or mold, ensuring a clean and stable foundation for the rest of the project. Step 7. Construction and installation. With the space cleared and prepared, it's time to begin the construction and installation phase of your bathroom remodel. This may involve framing, plumbing, electrical work, and installing new fixtures, finishes, and accessories. Be sure to work closely with your contractors to ensure all work is completed according to your design plan and specifications. Step 8. Finishing touches and final inspection. As the construction phase nears completion, it's time to add the finishing touches to your new bathroom. This may include painting, tiling, grouting, and installing hardware and accessories. Once all work is finished, schedule a final inspection to ensure that everything meets building codes and regulations. Take the time to walk through the space and address any final details or touch-ups before officially unveiling your newly remodeled bathroom. And there you have it. 8 essential steps for a successful bathroom remodeling project. By following these guidelines and working closely with reliable contractors, you can achieve the bathroom of your dreams while minimizing stress and setbacks along the way. We hope you found this video helpful as you embark on your remodeling journey. Don't forget to subscribe to RefreshNest for more tips and inspiration for refreshing your home and living spaces. Until next time, happy remodeling!